Hello, my name is Ratisek. Today I'm a demonstration of a garb and glove technique. First, basically you need to be sure you actually have a scrub on. Put your booties on. Your booties. And then move on before you go inside, alright? Get your medium suit. Medium important for me anyway, it's my size, all medium. And medium booties, okay? Alright, next up is put your mask on. Put your mask on. Whether you have a beard, which I shaved this morning, you need to be covered as well. And also you need extra pair of shoe cover. Hello again. This is the reason why I got the extra shoe cover. So basically, there's a line here. You gotta put one foot at a time and cross over. That's the reason why I have an extra shoe cover. So put it here. So basically, you want to put one on there, you cross over the line, and then put that over head, and you go across the line. So once you put the extra shoe cover on across the line, you just want to start washing your hand, okay? So basically, you wash your hand from the tip of your finger to your elbow, okay? So I'm gonna wet it first. And you want to clean your fingernails, okay? Okay? Throw it away after. Now you want to soak it. Just put it wash minimum of 30 seconds. Nice and clean. Go. Okay, and then you just rinse it out. Okay, there's a little towel. Dry. And once you dry it up, you want to go straight to putting your hood, hoodies, your suit and your shoes on, okay? So once you wash your hand, what you're going to do is put your hoodie on first, jumpsuit on, get your twist on that, zip it here. Left side. That's it. Put your hand before you put your gloves on. Okay. And now you want to do your glove technique. Basically, you want to lay it down, and then you want to, either left or right foot, don't matter. You don't want to touch the tip. So, put that halfway, and then you want to get the other one, like that. Push it right here, you can see, and then just do that. That's one, okay, and then you want to put that and put the other side, that's all you're done.